Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be discussing the top 5 luxury watch brands. Let's dive in. 1. Rolex. Founded in 1905, Rolex is one of the most recognizable and prestigious watch brands in the world. Rolex watches are known for their timeless designs, exceptional quality, and durability. Rolex has also been a pioneer in watchmaking technology, with many of their watches featuring innovative features such as self-winding movements and water-resistant cases. Through incredible achievements, huge media recognition, and unwavering consistency in producing beautiful, utilitarian luxury watches, Rolex has earned its place among the top luxury watches, and the brand stands above and beyond the rest in terms of value and recognition. 2. Patek Philippe. The Swiss watch brand is known for its dedication to tradition and craftsmanship. Patek Philippe watches are made by hand using only the finest materials, including 18-karat gold and diamonds. The brand is also known for its complicated watches, featuring mechanisms such as perpetual calendars and minute repeaters. It would be hard to argue against the statement that Patek Philippe is the best luxury watch brand of them all. They combine tradition with inventiveness, quality with unwavering value, and complicated movements with perfect decoration. Patek Philippe has been producing watches since 1868. Patek Philippe has received more than 100 patents. 3. Audemars Piguet. Audemars Piguet is a Swiss luxury watch brand founded in 1875. The brand is known for its unique and innovative designs, including the iconic Royal Oak and Royal Oak offshore models. Audemars Piguet watches are also known for their high-quality materials, such as 18-karat gold and ceramic. Like Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet is part of the Big Three of luxury watches. The two most popular collections of Audemars Piguet are the Royal Oak and Royal Oak Offshore Collection. 4. Cartier. Cartier is a French luxury watch and jewelry brand founded in 1847. Cartier watches are known for their elegant and timeless designs, featuring classic shapes such as the tank and the ballon blue. Cartier watches also feature high-quality materials, including 18-karat gold and diamonds, making them a favorite among celebrities and public figures. The first watch Cartier ever made was the Cartier Santos, which is still one of the most popular watches around. 5. Richard Mille. First, Richard Mille is one of the most expensive brands of watches. Probably the most expensive on average. Their watches, while big and bold, are super lightweight and extremely durable. On top of that, the movements are out of this world. What makes Richard Mille unique is the way the brand has managed to capture the attention of the most influential people in the world. When people talk about high-end luxury watches these days, Richard Mille is one of the first to come out of their mouth. And that concludes our list of the top 5 luxury watch brands. These brands are known for their dedication to craftsmanship, quality, and luxury. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.